Says our destiny. Says our destiny.
Subscribers, I miss you guys. I know it's been a while. It's been a while, and I have no excuses, and I'm not gonna come on here and say no excuses or talk about no excuses. But everyone who has always watched my channel know that I have a demanding job, and it's something that just keeps me going and going. And I have children and I have family, so I'm like always busy. That was more important to me than just uploading content that I know that I wouldn't be comfortable with. So that's why I have not been uploading videos. And then I was going through some other stuff in my life that was really traumatic. There were family issues. There was a whole bunch of different things going on in my life. And just this 2019 in the middle of the year, beginning of the year, just was crazy. Really crazy. I do want to go into a video deeply about one situation that really hindered me a lot. I'm not really going into too much details about it, but I do want to talk about it because I want you women out there to know about this situation. But we'll talk about this in another video. But today for me is like, I just want to tell you guys what my channel is going to become. The things that I'm changing about my channel because of who I am now today and what I have grown into in the past couple of months. I'm not here to tell you guys how to believe in, what you should believe in, what you should pray for, who you should pray for, because there's people who don't believe in God. There is people who believe in the Rastafarian. If you're Jamaican and you're on this channel, you understand what that is. That is people who believe in the higher power. There's people who say that there's no God. So with that being said, I just want to say I'm here as a Christian woman. I am not a full Christian woman because I don't go to church. And yes, I do curse. That's just what it is. So you may hear some F on here. But I am a woman who pray in my home, who I feel like when I do my own spiritual prayer for me, my friends get blessings, my family gets blessings. I just get blessings, and I have always been a blessed person. But I'm not going to be godly on here, but my channel definitely is going to be a little bit more on the spiritual side, more on who I am, more on what things has been empowering me as a mother, as a wife, as a entrepreneur, as you know, just person working with people. And I'm a people person. I love it, and I also love working with babies. So I'm going to be definitely doing things about that on my channel. So while I'm talking to you guys, I want to do my face. I want to moisturize. Everything that I use on this video, I will definitely leave in the description box because I won't be telling you, because I want to just talk to you guys. So roughly, it's been about 6 months now, and that I've been gone, or maybe a little bit more. If my eyebrows are jacked up, that is because they are. And my face is actually not breaking out anymore. I actually have not been wearing makeup or doing makeup in a while. It's just I have these dark spots. I'm trying to get rid of them. So if you guys know of anything, you know, thing that I can use, I've done skin treatments. I've done all kind of stuff which made my pigmentation darker. Hair, which I hated. I've done peelings, everything, and it's still dark. But yeah, I have not been breaking out, which is so great. And that's another thing I'm going to talk about. So if this video is all over the place, please forgive me. I have so much I want to talk about. So basically, my channel is going to be a little different. I'm not going to be doing makeup as much as I used to before. Just because I feel like my plateau really, it got views, but not the views that I really wanted to see. My plateau basically got a lot of views on my hair, and I see that people really love my hair. which I'm so appreciative of people, you know, that love my hair. And so I really want to do more videos on hair. I really want to do more on health wise. That's what my channel is going to be about. I am on keto. I don't know if you guys know what keto is. I'll do another video about the breakdown about the keto, because I'm not doing that caloric deficit and all that stuff, but I am intermittent fasting. I fast from 6 o'clock in the evening to 12, maybe 1 in the afternoon. It depends on how I feel, but I have strictly cut out carbs. I have lost tremendous weight in the past couple of months. I've seen me losing, but I know I can go harder. I am definitely home, but not home working, but I'm not working as much as I used to, which I'm so like a little bit relaxed about. Don't get me wrong, I love my job. I love what I do. I think because of what I was going through and having to be, you know, at work and the type of job that I do, I felt a way about not being at my job, not wanting to get there when I needed to, but yet still I had to be here for my family. So that was a little hard for me. I miss my job. I miss it 100%. I miss them so much. But I know I could see them, talk to them, but I'll talk about what I do. Anyway, so that's how I was feeling at one point. Like I couldn't do the things that I needed to do for my family. So now that I'm here and I'm coming on, I can do my videos. I can do my weight loss journey a little bit more harder. I do go to the gym in my complex where I live, and I have been working out at home. And so I'm going to be going much, much harder, working out every day as possible as I can. And those days where I do work, which won't be all the time, but be on occasional, then I would try to just waist train. So I'm going to waist train at the same time. I have a waist trainer that I'm really particularly looking into right now, and a video will definitely come on about that. But yes, that's what's been happening to me. Just keto, eating right, making sure that I am not, you know, taking in anything that's unhealthy. And I really believe that this is the reason why my skin has gotten so much better, and not having any breakouts, because I stopped drinking whole milk. I stopped drinking cow's milk. I am definitely drinking almond milk now. I know some of you guys be like, ooh, almond milk. I know it's not bad. It's really, really not bad. I like it a lot. I've never even had yogurt, never eaten yogurt before, but I went to Publix and I found me amazing. The lighting may be in and out, guys. I'm so sorry. But I found me an amazing yogurt, and I've been eating that has almond. I have been also taking supplements, and I know some of you guys are going to be like, well, girl, you don't need supplements. And I know that I don't need supplement, but I think that's what I want to take to achieve what I want and to get to where I want. It's not for everybody. And there was some supplements that I took that I was like, OMG, I can't. That is just too much. But there's one that I found that is amazing. I will talk about it. I'm not sponsored with the company at all. But I have been taking their supplements, and I have been really, really loving it a lot. So I'll talk about that. I also want to do vloggings. I want to vlog my workouts. I want to vlog out my daily routines, what I've been doing, things like that. And now and again, like I said, I will do some makeup stuff. I will do hauls because I see you guys like my hauls. I definitely will still do that, but not consistently. Definitely will be doing videos on my hair and trying to figure out different styles that I want to show you guys, because I've been doing different styles and stuff. And I will also want to talk about some things I've noticed with my hair that has really affected me, change wise, health wise, and I was concerned. But I tell you guys, when you change your life eating, when you change the habits that you are doing to make you healthy, your body goes into a complete whack. And when I say as a woman, it's crazy that you would think that, okay, I'm going healthy, everything is going to be fine, I'm going to lose the weight, nothing's going to happen. Girlfriends, listen here. A sister on this diet has had heart palpitations, a fibroid, TMI, I want you guys to know this, that has grown to from a 2 to a 5 just because I started eating broccoli and cauliflower. And I'm like, are you kidding me? So I go to the doctor. I'm like, I'm on this keto. She goes, She's like, well, what are you eating for veggies? And I'm like, well, I'm eating cauliflower. I'm eating, broccoli. And then I'm eating meat supplements like chicken and beef and things like that. She's like, my dear, you have to cut out the broccoli because it will grow your fibroid. And I'm like, are you kidding me? So trying to get healthy and eat right and do things right is definitely making certain things worse. Wonderful. Wonderful. So I was like, okay. So I cut that out and tried to change up different type of vegetables, which there's some vegetables that I just cannot eat, won't eat, definitely cannot do. But there is some that I've been liking, and I will definitely also show you guys what I've been eating in a day. Right now, it's so funny. My food metabolism has been crazy. It's been out of whack. I don't know. But I've been trying to do, after breaking my fast, having protein shakes and then having an egg and high fat like bacon and stuff like that, and avocados. And I know some of you guys are like, oh, avocado. I can't stand avocado, but I love avocado. So that's what I've been doing. So yeah, guys, so definitely I will be showing videos like that, what I eat, what I cook for my kids, different from what I eat, because I still have to cook for them, but I try to still make it healthy in the same token, because I have a 13-year-old who is 5'9", yes, and he is wearing a size 13 in shoes, men, and he's a big guy. He's a big guy. So I've been supplementing healthy foods with what I'm eating so that he can eat healthy as well. And as well as the family overall. There's some days I'm going to tell you I do cheat. I'm not going to sit here and go, oh, I don't eat this, I'm not going to eat that. Yeah, girl, I'm going to have me pizza. I'm going to have me my bread with my Chick-fil-A when I'm ready. But I'm hearing about this Popeye situation. I haven't had it yet, but it's the Popeye's chicken. And I'm like, I'm going to try that out. That's going to be my cheat day. So yeah, I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, I'm all keto and I'm fully keto, because it's hard. It's a really hard to get into that step for anybody who's trying to be healthy. But yeah, girl, I'm a cheat. But it's not a good thing, because you're like, oh, I want to get to a certain point in weight and in life. And then, it's like, so what is the purpose of you trying to lose the weight? But I definitely will show you my cheat days too, to let you know, girl, this channel is not about me faking no funk. Talk about, oh yes, I'm keto, and I'm doing this keto. No, sweetie, that's not here, not going to be here. So definitely will do that. I'm just talking away. I'm missing my channel. I'm missing my subscribers, and I see some new subscribers, and I thank you so much for coming on here. And to my old subscribers, I know I haven't put no channels, no videos, nothing, and you guys are sticking around, and I'm so thankful for that. It's crazy. I just wanted to come on here and talk and ramble. I'm not really going anywhere. I just wanted to come and talk and try to put on some makeup. I'm actually going to, honestly, take this crap off and I'm gonna go to my ass to the gym. Yeah, I'm gonna go work out a little bit. But I just wanted to, you know, let you guys know what my new channel will be about. I'm hoping that you guys will like it. I hope you guys will interact with me a little bit more, talking to me. Please let me know what kind of videos you wanted to see about keto. There's so many things that I have to try to educate myself about too as well for keto. At first, one time I did start it earlier, and when I say I went into a deep low sugar shock, that I was like, whoa. I was actually, and that was my fault because I wasn't eating the keto properly and doing it properly. I was actually eating once a day, and that's not good. So what I try to do is eat a small portion in the afternoon, and then I eat a medium-sized portion in the evening, and then that will be it. And then I'm drinking a lot of water. So yeah, I'll definitely go more into, you know, what I'm doing. But I miss you guys so much. I miss coming on here. I miss doing my videos. I just miss talking. So I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, I'm going to be consistent. I'm not going to do that, because I said that before. And look, I was gone for how many months? But I just definitely seen my channel growing, and knowing that you guys love my content has made me really appreciative and thankful for everything that, you know, comes my way. But with that being said, guys, I am not going to be fake and funky. Like I said, I'm going to get my butt to the gym. I just wanted to come on here to let you guys know, you know, what's up with me, what I've been doing, and what's going on, and what I'm going to be doing on this channel. My next upload after this, welcome you back. I don't even know what I'm going to call it, but I probably I'm going on the road. I'm doing a road trip, and I will be vlogging all those things on the road. And on the road is going to be a hard task because, you know, there's nothing keto friendly really. You have to make it keto friendly, and fast food is not a good option, but you have to turn it to what you have to do. So I'll be vlogging those things. So guys, yes, I'm rambling as always, but thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for watching me, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Thank you. God bless.